offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit. They hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just want to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know. Well, that's not good. Looks like you're not going to be able to see my beautiful face this morning because we're still here, but we guess we're just going to look at the charts only today. No worries. I hope everybody's having a blessed day. Green mornings to everyone. And let's get it started today. We talked about the Tesla trade yesterday. That was the big winner in the live boiler room in the morning when the live open happened. Tesla kicked it off with a nice big move to the upside, capturing 760 like we mentioned, and then now looking to push up to that 780 resistance that we were hopefully looking for on that daily chart there. So if you held that position overnight, doing well this morning. Pretty excited about that play. Also have DKNG and PIN on the list here. PIN for the football opening up tomorrow night. You have your big game starting off. NFL kicks it off, and you know, people are going to be out there gambling. These BYD stocks, PIN National Gaming. You have the DKNG. You have a lot of different choices to pick from, but there's a few leaders, and these are the ones that we think that are going to be the ones leading the way to the next move. Looking for PIN National breakout, get you up to that 100. It needs to come back to the 100 mark there and really capture that. In my opinion, it's coming for it strong here on the upside. Let's see if they continue to keep getting the volume and the trading that they need to continue to go higher. DKNG. Looking like the same chart as PIN, doesn't it? So it looks like it's wanting to break out as well. We think that it could break out. It had a nice dollar play yesterday, and we really like that one as well. BRKS. Brooks Automation. Mentioned this yesterday in the pre-market and early in the pre-market show for Benzinga. We put it in the live chat. Here's your support level, and now look at it breaking out all the way up here into the 90s. And, you know, only thinking this thing's going to keep on going higher once it gets through that old consolidation level before the breakdown. Give us a thumbs up in the chat. If you're on YouTube, give us a like. Hit that, smash that, kick it, punch it. Do that for us. Make sure that we are here to give you trade ideas and opinions, strictly just for you to have some informational service about trading, about ideas, not telling you where to invest your money. I wanted to pull up some of the banks. Citigroup, you know, looking for that support here. Maybe found some, and we'll maybe going to get somewhere in this range, and then you get a 70 spike to rebound back up into these 72s, 73s. But it really looks like it's coming back down to the downside. So watch out for that level at 69 and 67. So these are your two lows there that we're going to be watching. If it breaks down and holds on to one of them and then starts coming back to the upside, that might be a good entry point in my opinion. Check in the chat because I'm sure they're going to tell me that the stream is messing up again because I've got 3 notifications already that say that it's not working very well on my end when it looks like the according to the CPU and the problems in my bottom left hand corner. I don't know how I can fix this. I don't know what's wrong with it. I thought I fixed it yesterday. I went in and did some things on the computer. So we got to clean this bad boy up so it can run for you guys like Forrest Gump. We need this thing to keep just running and never have any issues, no slowdowns, nothing like that. So in the future, we'll have it rocking and rolling for you. Speaking of future, how about the idea of setting up your own mining equipment at your house? Have you thought about one in the chat? If you thought about mining your own coin at all, at any time, have you ever thought about it? But now I will, and I want to mine at my house. Put in that 1, 2, or 3. Let's see if we can get a little bit of action in that chat today. And if not, it's okay, because I'm always going to be here every morning, 9 a.m., giving you my opinion, regardless of who's in here. We've always got a few people in our group giving our ideas, talking about them, and really taking advantage of the courses, taking advantage of the ideas in the Discord server. So if you're one of those people, I appreciate you coming in every day and listening. Don't got to be a talker to be a trader, just got to listen and be in there to work on some trades with us. So RAD, one that we're looking at, Rite Aid Corporation. This one is just setting up for a nice trade here. I like where it's at. I like the pullback. I think it's time for it to come back and take out that high. So I'm going to be watching RAD. Let's go to the daily. I mean, look at that. It's really rounding. It needs to create that handle, but we still have a nice formation up here to 23. So got a 50% retracement from this move from here to here. That's what you're looking at right now where that yellow dotted line is. So what it does here, if it breaks down and pulls back again, then it wants to rip up. Let's see if that happens. It probably will slowly leak down to these 17s, 1750s, give you a little pullback hopefully, and then you can take it to the upside. BBIG's been on a lot of radars lately. It's been just one of those, fear of missing out stocks. People see these big spike ups. They want to get in. They get in here. They get out. They get in. They get out. They want to get in. They wish they would have. Oh, man, here it comes. They get in again, and then it spikes back down. And then they get that last one up to the upside. This one right here threw me off. Usually you see it taper down to these levels here, but maybe you get another room to run to, another move up to the 11 to 13 there like it did in the pre-market. You got 11.20. So let's see if we can move up to that, break out and get past that $12 range on BBIG. AMD Semiconductor play down a little bit in the pre-market. Looking like you've got a nice little move to the upside coming if it can hold here. If not, you're coming back down to these 104, 100 levels. People liked it there a lot. So let's see if it comes back and tries to catch support on that 100 level, 102. Apple ripping and roaring here. You're breaking out to all new high session, looking like it wants to hit that 160 before getting any selling. So let's see if Apple gets to 160 today. Watching our AAPL, and Apple a day keeps the margin calls away, right? So watching that one, seeing if it continues to grow as well. And then along with that is Facebook, Microsoft. Got to pull those up. Facebook looking like it wants to break out as well. I mean, you can see here it's just time to go. Microsoft consolidating, looking to break out to the upside. Does have potential to come down here to that 290, 293.50, and then possibly try to capture some support there and then come to the upside. So appreciate you guys coming in every day here with us at Elite Trading, and we hope you stay green, stay blessed. Come join us in the Discord, and let's get in the boiler room today, talk some trades, find some different, try to capture some support there and then come to the upside. So appreciate you guys coming in every day here with us at Elite Trading, and we hope you stay green, stay blessed. Come join us in the Discord, and let's get in the boiler room today, talk some trades, find some different ideas that we can use, and we appreciate you.